Hi everybody. Today we're going to see how I draw vivid acts. Okay, I'm going to start off with a quick sketch for myself, and then I will switch over to Sharpie, so don't worry if you can't see this. This is 100% for me, just to get it in the right position, in the right place, in the right look. Then I'll switch over to Sharpie, and you'll be able to see it much better. See, it's already too big. It's already way too big. So I'm going to shrink it down just a little bit. I get excited there, and I started drawing way too much, way too big. Okay. Alright, I think I'm going to use a straight edge. I'm going ahead and use that for a ruler for the handle. And if you want to use one, you can. If not, I get it. Totally up to you. But I think I'm going to, just to keep it looking right. Okay. How's that looking? Still a little big. So I think if I do that. Okay, no, that's not too big. Like that. This will come in here like this. Yeah, I think that'll work. That will work. So let me just define a few things here real fast, and we'll switch over. There's not much to this one. This one, color is going to take care of a lot of it because, yeah, for the most part, it's a colored piece, Still seems a little big, but hey, let's have some fun. Let's just do it. Let's go crazy. I'm going to erase some of these lines just because there's a lot. We don't need them all for the sketch or for the ink. It was okay to sketch, but we're here, and we're going to just move forward. Okay, so yeah, so let's go with this. So I'm going to start with the handle just because I told you I was going to. I'm going to do something like this. Then I'm going to bring it up because I know where I'm going to go, and I've got that part drawn. Okay? So just something like that. And then it kind of angles a bit, just a little bit, not too much, but enough that we have to draw it, right? And all I'm doing is I'm just moving my Sharpie over, or my straight edge over just a hair, just eyeballing where it's going to hit, and that's all. See, that may be thicker than that, but that's okay. Oh, and look, I missed a spot right there, so I'm going to go back and see if I can catch that. Let's see what we can do here. Alright, it worked. Okay, so now I'm going to just draw the axe. So I'm going to bring this down here, come to a point, and then this side's going to kind of come down and do that. And let's see, this one, it should come out like that. I should have done it like this. That's really what I should have done. And I can hide that with color. I'll just do that. So if you want, erase that line right there, or just keep drawing with me. It's really totally up to you. Okay, so now I'm going to bring it back here like this. I'm going to kind of go up, over like that, and then I'm going to go straight across like this. Then I'm going to go in, jagged, in, and connect it like that. And that's really all I can do because I want to take care of the rest with color. So I'll add just a few little like 3D lines just to try to make it come to life just a little bit. But the rest of all the detail I want to do in color. It's just so much fun that I want to do it like that. So I'm going to add just a 3D edge to it like this because it's a little, I'm drawing it from the side, but not so much of the side that you can't see everything. So something like that, right? So that's really about it. I'm going to do the rest with color. So for now, until it's colored, that's Vivid Acts. So here is my colored version. You could do it however you like. I just thought I'd show you how I decided to color it. If you'd like to color it like this, you can always pause the video here, and use the coloring techniques that I used, or you can just make it your own. Remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures of how I draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button to be updated about each new video.